What is going on? Welcome to Greg Ellis TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Galaxy Z Fold 6. There was a tweet put out by Ice Universe about the graffiti feature a bit ago. That's the feature that's going to allow you to draw something and then it turns into that image. So if you draw a picture of a tiger, even if it doesn't really look like a tiger, it will create that image of a tiger so it looks more real. Now, he put out a tweet yesterday saying the following, that all the features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 combined are not as interesting as the AI draw feature. And I think to myself, one, this AI draw feature, you could probably use your finger, I assume, or maybe it's going to be designated only to the pen, but you could probably use both. Now, is it a major reason that you want to buy the phone? And to be honest, I can't imagine I'm going to need to always draw something and have it turn into that image and it's going to change my life. I'm at a point in life, I got to take care of my kid, I should say. I've got to work. I've got to make dinner. I've got to do this. I've got to clean the house. I've got to do all kinds of stuff. Am I going to be sitting there just drawing so it turns into something? Probably not. I need stuff that's going to either functionally be very interesting and helpful for me, or it's going to be have some kind of entertainment value. And for me, drawing and art like that has never been something that really interests me. And it goes over to the finer point, the full point of AI, because this is AI. What this feature he's talking about, is AI in general needed, or is it so helpful that it's changing people's lives right now? And it's really early stages, to the point that I wouldn't say it's changing people's lives on the regular. It might be changing some people's lives, like, hey, I never had a job before in tech, and now I can help people with creating images or videos or doing stuff. That I can see it doing that. But in general, it's not really. It's so infant. It's in its infancy. There's not a killer app yet on AI, especially Galaxy AI, that's like changing my life or anybody else's life that I've seen online. I see it in the comments from you guys a lot. You're like, it's a waste of time, it's not worth it. And I do somewhat agree with you. I think, again, everything always starts off very early and then it gets progressively better. And this will be one of those things that gets progressively better and more helpful as time goes on. It can go in a million different directions, and I think that's one of the problems, is like finding that killer app that a lot of people are going to find helpful and interesting. Because right now, you kind of have to be in multiple apps to do something. So for instance, the way I use Gemini a lot. Like, I'll go to Gemini to, summarize an article, or to give me bullet points on something, or to create an image from me. And then I have to take it from that and put it into Instagram or Twitter or my YouTube channel or somewhere else. And you could probably say, like, okay, well, Meta has their AI built in. You can do stuff there. It's true. And so does Twitter. And a lot of other places do too. But I think it literally needs to be in, like, for instance, for people, a killer app I think would be for it is if you're in Instagram and you're doing a post and it's right there, it's taken over the app. It's right in the tools I'm using. It's right there. I don't have to jump back and forth between things. I think then it would potentially have some kind of killer app. And there's nothing stopping it from AI, co-joining with all these apps that we use on a daily basis. But that's just an example. I still don't know what the killer app would be, though, to be honest with you. Like, this drawing feature for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, just to circle back to that, it's going to be cool, I think. I have no doubt about it. And it's going to be like a cool thing to show people before they buy the phone, or they're interested in the phone. It's like going to be one of those cool things. Like in the past, I would show people multitasking. Like, look, I can run these apps at the same time and you have this big display. That's really cool. Or look, you can play a game on a big display while you're mobile. This would be one of those things I would throw in the mix. Like, here, look, I drew a tiger and it turned into this tiger that I didn't really draw, but it looks like one. That's going to be one of those types of like wow features. But long term of it, maybe for kids or something like that, it could be something that they would use a lot. But for someone like me, it's not. And I still think the greater good of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is going to be improvements that they've thrown into it, the slightly different design on there, the brighter displays, the little bit of extra battery life, same battery size, but like just due to the optimization of the processor and the software working together, you get a little bit longer battery life. It's lighter, it's thinner, the improved frame. Yeah, I think those are gonna be some of the bigger takeaways from it. The AI is just more of a like, right now I feel like it's probably more of a trick to just wow people into buying your phone right now. It will get there, I think, where it's very helpful and it takes over the world in a lot of great ways, and takes over your phone in a lot of great ways and improves things in a lot of great ways. They'll have AI battery as well built into this Z Fold 6, which I would be probably more personally excited about versus this graffiti feature, but still cool to see. What do you think about this? Do you think AI is overblown? Galaxy AI, AI graffiti, whatever they want to call it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.